Hi there, I'm Bernard, founder of PreviewLabs. We're a company specialized in rapid prototyping with game technology. We turn people's vision into first a prototype that they can play, and then we try out additional ideas if needed in subsequent iterations. And we do this for a variety of uses of game technology. For example, simulation, for data visualization. We have games for entertainment, as well as serious games, where we do a lot of work with universities including Yale and Harvard, and even for interactive installations. The reason why you want to do prototyping is actually to see, with a limited amount of budgets, maybe 5 or 10% of your entire development budget, whether this concept actually works, if it's worthwhile pursuing. PreviewLabs works for a variety of clients. We have a lot of smaller companies like startups that are in super stealth mode that didn't even come up with a name for their company yet. And on the other hand, we have a mix of larger established clients. The goal is that you feel secure about the concept, that you feel comfortable starting with the actual production process. So have a look around on our website, and if you're considering working with us, you can get in touch with me directly through our contact page.